Today I am going to tackle a lecture of quadratic equation for finding the quadratic equation by least square method. And we have already seen in our previous lecture the y is equal to a plus bx plus cx squared. This is also the quadratic equation, and how we find the constant of a, b and c. Okay, so this is also the quadratic equation. Y is equal to a plus bx square, and we fitted the curve. Okay, for second order equation. So here y is equal to a plus bx square, and we are given in the value of x and y. The value of x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the value of y is 1.8, 5.1, 8.9, 14.1 and 19.8. So first we write the normal equation of the given quadratic equation. So first we write the normal equation. So first normal equation is, first we take the summation on both the sides, because of here is the a is the constant and a is alone. So first we take the summation y is equal to n a. Here we multiply by small n, and small n is the number of terms, plus b summation x square. As per equation, we have the two constants. Okay, here is the two constant, and for finding the value of a and b, so we must have the two equations, two normal equations. But in the quadratic equation, our last equation is the form of summation x square y. Okay, so here summation y, we have already summation y, and already given that we have the two constants, so we write here the two normal equation. So our second normal equation is summation x square y is equal to a summation x square plus b summation x raised to the power 4. So this is our two normal equations. Okay, so according to this normal equation, we mark the table. So our table is x and y are already given. So next column is what? Summation y plus of all these values. Then we get the summation y. Small n is the number of terms. So here small n is equal to what? N is equal to 5. Okay, so next we write here the x square, x raised to the power 4 and x square y. So we write here next column is x square according to this normal equation. So always from starting solution, first you write the quadratic equation or straight line equation according to the question, and after that we write the normal equation. And according to our normal equation, we mark the table. Got it? So here we write the x square. Next one is the x raised to the power 4, and next is x square y. So this is a table. So first we write the x square. So x square, that means 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9. 4 square 16 and 5 square 25. Okay, after that we map the column of x raised to the power 4. So if we square up all the column, then we get the x raised to the power 4. That means x square whole to the square, that means x raised to the power 4. You have already known that. So here 1 is 1, 4 square 16, 9 square 81, 16 square 256 and 25 square 625. Got it? After that, we map the column of x square into y. So here is the column of x square and this is the column of y. So we multiply both the columns. So first is 1.8 into 1. That means 1.8, our first equation. Second is 5.1 into 4, that means 4 and 20.4. Got it? Next is 8.9 into 9. So 1.8 is 0.1. Okay. Next is 14.1 into 16. So here we write double to 5.6, and the last value is 19.8 into 25. So multiply by 19.8 into 25, so we get 0.5 and 49. So 495.0. So we map the table of according to a normal equation. After that, we get the values of. What is the values of? First, we write here the summation y, summation x square, okay, summation x raised to the power 4 according to a normal equation, and summation x square y. Okay, so first we find all these values, and after that we put these values in our normal equation 1 and 2 and find the constant of a and b. So, sum of all these values, we get the summation y is equal to 49.7, summation x square is equal to 55, summation x raised to the power 4 is equal to 979, and summation x square y is equal to 822.9. So, our next step is what? We put all these values in our both the normal equations. So we get our first equation is summation y is equal to 49.7 is equal to n a. N is the number of terms. So we write here 5a because n is equal to 5 in the given question, and plus b summation x square. So summation x square is equal to what? 55. So we write here 55b. And our second equation is summation x square y. So summation x square y is equal to 822.9 is equal to a summation x square. So a summation x square is equal to 55. So we write here 55a plus b summation x raised to the power 4. So here the value of summation x raised to the power 4 is equal to 979. So we write here 979b. Okay, so we put all these values in our normal equation, and after that we finding the constant of a and b. So this is the very simple equation. Here first we make the a equal to, that is here we multiply by 11. For example, here we multiply by 11. So here is the 55 and here is also 55. So after the subtract from equation 1 minus equation 2, so we get the value of b. So here the after solving this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So after solving the equation 1 and equation 2, equation 1 and equation 2, so we get the value of b is equal to 0.7385. Because of here we multiply by 11, so in the first equation we get the 55a, and in second equation again here is the 55a. So after 1 minus 2 we get the 55a minus 55 is the cancel, and we get the value of b. So the value of b is 0.7385, and we put this value in our first equation or in second equation. So we get the value of a is 1 So after solving these two equations, we get the value of A and B. Value of A is equal to 1.8165 and the value of B is equal to 0.7385. But this is not our final answer. Why? Because we find the second order equation, yeah, or quadratic equation. So we put the value of A and B in our final equation, or we can set it in our standard equation according to our question. So we put here y is equal to the value of A is what? Value of A is 1.8165. So we write here 1.8165 plus value of B. Value of B is 0.7385. So we write here 0.7385 and x square. So this is our final answer for the fitted to the data. That means here we put in value of A and B and we get the final answer y is equal to 1.8165 plus 0.7385 x square. Okay, so our third quadratic equation is what? Our third quadratic equation is y is equal to ax plus bx square. This is our third quadratic equation. Okay, first quadratic equation is what? We have already seen in our previous lecture. Y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. In this quadratic equation, we have the three constants a, b and c. So we write the three normal equation, but the third normal equation is the format of summation x square y. Got it? Our second quadratic equation is y is equal to a plus bx square. So here the constant is 2. So we have write here the two normal equation. But in this two normal equation, our second equation is the form of summation x square y. So after that, this continuity, after that our third equation is y equal to ax plus bx square. So in this equation, we have again two constants a and b. That means what? Here we write again two normal equations, but our second equation is the form of summation x square y. Okay, so I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.